In this video, I'll show you how to create navigation tabs in Looker Studio so your reports are easier to navigate and more organized for viewers. Tabs help structure your report into sections, making it simple for users to switch between different views. To begin, open your report and add multiple pages by clicking Add Page at the top. Each page will represent a separate section of your report. Once your pages are ready, go to the top menu and click Theme and Layout to open the Settings panel on the right. Switch to the Layout tab, where you'll find the Navigation Type option. Change this setting to Tab, and your report will instantly display tabs across the top for each page. Next, rename your pages to create clear and meaningful tab labels so users can easily understand each section. Keep names short and consistent for better usability. Once set, your report will have a clean tabbed layout for smooth navigation. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.